school, high schools, and the technical schools, and we'll bring them on here, with our ambassadors that we get from that school, and we'll just teach them about it, let them run on here. A typical class size is about 45 minutes. We'll do 5 to 7 minutes spiel talking about our website, how they can find out more about us and the jobs that we got. And then the rest of the time is the ambassadors are kind of the stars of the program. Some students come on here that may never know that they want to do it. We can show you that you have an opportunity to be in a program like this.